Washes hands. If right-handed, slide one glove on the left hand. Reverse if you're left-handed. With gloved hand, slides the other hand into the second glove. Interlaces fingers to smooth out folds and create a comfortable fit. Carefully looks for tears, holes, or spots and replaces the glove if necessary. Touches only the outside of one glove and grasps the other glove at the palm and pulls the glove off. With ungloved hand, slips two fingers underneath the cuff of the remaining glove without touching any part of the outside. Pulls down, turning this glove inside out and over the first glove. Discards gloves properly. And washes hands.